Hey guys, welcome to a new video. We're going to be doing some canoe camping in Black River State Forest. Hopefully catch some fish. Should be a good time. Alright, we're at the little lake we're going to be camping at, so it's time to get unpacked and probably get all my stuff to the island. You might recognize this spot. It's the same one that Brett and I camped at in the winter, so it'll be nice to experience it in a different season. I think I'm going to try and fish the culvert down there first before I go set up stuff actually. Yeah. Oh no! Sad. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What are you? Oh no! Oh no! Was that a little bass? Bloop! Whee! Back at the culvert, gonna try and fish the lake. Caught plenty of little dinky fishies. Trying a different bait over here. No bites. We're gonna try this thing here. I'm gonna try and fish this stream back here before I attempt to get to my island. So hopefully there's a couple fishies in here too. None of those little streams really worked out, and it seems like the wind is going lower, so we're gonna try and make our way to the island after a little snack here. That way over there is where we want to go. Made it. Time to get this unpacked and set up my sleep stuff. Just tripped, but should be good to go. I did not expect to catch a fish second cast off this island. Hello! Thanks, buddy. Little guy. Oh. There we go. Not a bad feller. There's actual blue. Yep. Crappie flip. Pretty colors, huh? Taking a little break from fishing. Gonna make a little tiny snack. Tortellini is on the menu for late lunch right now. Gonna make a little protein shake too for another treat. Cheese tortellini, yum. Nice. I could be eating pretty good today. So many of these fellers, huh? Look at that color. Wow. I snagged, so I'm gonna go fix it. I'm gonna go save it. I almost got one from the boat, but it came off. One of these yellow fellows, it's gonna catch a muskie in this lake that's like at most 6 feet deep. Goodbye, friend. There's a fish on there. Ugh, there was. Man, I thought it was weeds. When you think it's weeds, it's a fish. When you think it's a fish, it's weeds. That's how it works. I haven't seen the sun all day. Perch that's about the same size as the spinner. Ooh, thanks, perch. Pink. Oh. I did not catch any fish from the canoe that were any bigger than the lure I was using. I think it's time to make dinner and get ready to sweep. Here's what's for dinner. We got kielbasa and some yellow rice. Yum, yum, yum. We're in the hammock, ready to go to sleep. Should be pretty significantly warm enough. Good night. See you tomorrow for some more fishing. All right, slept super good. Probably was asleep for like 11 hours, like from 9 p.m. to 8. Gonna get packed up, do some fishing, and then head home. Alright, got everything loaded up. We got our campsite clean. Nothing's left on the ground. Thanks, Rand. Next. Another little guy. Thanks, Fran. That was number 3, but he just fell off. First cast with the with a new white, orange, green, whatever, this little jig right here. Yay. A dink. Little guy. Thanks. Oh, thank you. There you go. Fish in the water. Another little guy. Little fish. Little friend. So tiny. Cool. Little perch. Bloop. Fish in the water. This is all we got? This is the best we can do? The little guy. Goodbye. Thanks, dude. Not bad. A little bit better. Still tiny. Starting to rain a little bit. That's not bad. Like I said, it's starting to rain a little bit, but I'm gonna stay out here until it's like raining. Huh. Hello. You are a fish. Flip. Thanks. Hello. Oh, come back. Fish in the water. Another little fishy. A little fish. Tiny little guy. See ya. I think it's Pop-Tart time. Flip. Crappie flip. Ow. Bad idea. Alright, I think I've had about enough for today. So I'm going to paddle back and load up the truck and head home. It's been fun. Back on dry land, time to get the truck packed up and head back home. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want. That helps a lot.